Raw human hair clippings are collected directly from salon floors after cutting and shaving.
Shaved human hair is collected immediately, bagged raw, and preserved without alignment. Institutional human hair clippings are gathered uniformly and stored raw after scheduled haircuts.
Human hair from deceased donors is collected respectfully, documented, and handled with care.
Collected human hair is temporarily stored locally before regional aggregation.
Human hair from all collection sources is combined centrally without sorting or cleaning.
Raw human hair is inspected to identify visible debris and contamination levels.
Large debris is manually removed from human hair before any washing begins.
Raw human hair is packed into transport sacks for delivery to processing factories.
Untreated human hair arrives at factory intake docks, ready for industrial processing. Raw human hair sacks are weighed accurately to establish intake volume and batch records.
Human hair is labeled by collection source to maintain separation and traceability.
Human hair intake data is logged to ensure full traceability through processing stages.
Supervisors assess raw human hair condition before approval for further processing.
Unusable human hair is identified, documented, and removed from the production stream. Raw human hair is separated into rough length ranges for further processing control.
Workers remove synthetic or animal fibers from raw human hair to ensure purity for processing.
Discard ratios and usable yield of raw human hair are recorded to guide processing efficiency.
Raw human hair is temporarily held in labeled bins before cleaning and further processing.
Workers shake and loosen tangled human hair to prepare for manual detangling and cleaning.
Extreme knots in raw human hair are manually separated to prevent damage during washing.
Workers pre-rinse raw human hair to extract dust, dirt, and loose debris before washing.
Workers pre-rinse raw human hair to extract dust, dirt, and loose debris before washing.
Raw human hair is loaded into industrial washing drums for initial cleaning while still untreated.
Controlled detergent washing sanitizes raw human hair while preserving natural texture and length variety.
Multiple rinse cycles remove detergent residues from raw human hair while retaining natural strand structure.
Rinse water is filtered and reused to maintain sustainability during raw human hair washing. Excess moisture is mechanically extracted from raw human hair to prepare for controlled drying.
Washed human hair is transferred into drying chambers for controlled moisture removal.
Damp human hair is placed in low-temperature tunnels for gradual and controlled drying. Raw human hair is arranged on airflow-controlled racks to evenly reduce moisture content.
Supervisors monitor texture stabilization in raw human hair during controlled drying.
Anti-static solution is applied to raw human hair to reduce static while maintaining natural texture.
Moisture content of raw human hair is inspected to prepare for final drying and stabilization.
Workers manually fluff and separate human hair strands to restore natural volume and manageability.
Supervisors detect breakage and weak fibers in human hair to maintain quality standards.
Tensions. Weak or damaged human hair fibers are removed to ensure only quality strands proceed.
Human hair is grouped into batches after drying for efficient processing and traceability. Batches of cleaned human hair are transported to the alignment floor for the next processing stage. Workers align human hair root to tip to prepare strands for structural refinement. Human hair cuticles are oriented in the same direction to prevent tangling during later stages.
Aligned human hair is trimmed to refine length and achieve consistent bundle appearance.
Workers adjust human hair bundles to equalize density for consistent quality.
Human hair bundles are graded by thickness to standardize texture and product quality.
Workers form human hair into aligned bundles, maintaining cuticle direction and consistent density.
Aligned human hair bundles are temporarily bound and towned for source, length, and product assignment.
Aligned human hair bundles are assigned to specific product pathways for efficient manufacturing.
Aligned human hair bundles are carefully placed on conveyors for transfer to manufacturing stations.
Supervisors perform final alignment quality checks before human hair enters manufacturing.
Workers begin luxury wig craftsmanship using aligned human hair bundles for premium production.
Wig cap mesh is fabricated to provide a secure base for hand-tied human hair strands.
Human hair strands are meticulously hand-tied onto wig caps, maintaining alignment and texture.
Workers map hair density across wig caps to plan natural-looking volume and distribution.
Workers shape hairlines on wig caps to ensure natural realism and strand consistency.
Workers blend human hair strands to ensure consistent color and natural transitions for wigs.
Workers check human hair texture across wigs to maintain consistent softness and strand quality.
Workers style and shape human hair wigs, refining volume, layers, and natural flow.
Supervisors perform final inspection of human hair wigs for quality, alignment, and appearance. Completed human hair wigs are certified, labeled, and prepared for premium product distribution.
Workers assemble human hair strands onto clip-in bases for secure, ready-to-use extensions.
Aligned human hair is bonded to tape bases to create durable, natural-looking extensions.
Human hair is threaded through micro rings for precise, secure extension attachment.
Workers shape and cut human hair bangs for uniform length and natural flow.
Workers smooth and finish edges of human hair products for flawless, consumer-ready presentation.
Workers construct ponytail bases by securely aligning and fastening human hair bundles. Ponytail bases are wrapped and concealed to create seamless, aesthetically pleasing human hair products.
Workers validate styling of human hair ponytails for natural shape, length, and movement.
Completed human hair products are grouped for packaging, ensuring organization and quality verification.
Workers section human hair into uniform portions to prepare for precise braid formation.
Workers weave human hair sections using assisted methods for consistent braid formation.
Workers manually tighten human hair braids to ensure uniform tension and durability.
Workers trim human hair braids and specialty forms to ensure uniform length and neat edges.
Workers seal and stabilize ends of human hair braids and specialty forms to prevent unraveling.
Workers check braids and specialty hair forms for consistent patterns and uniform strand alignment.
Workers apply texture treatments to human hair braids and specialty products for enhanced softness and shine.
Supervisors perform visual quality control on human hair braids and specialty forms for consistency. Workers standardize human hair braids and specialty products into uniform batches for downstream processing. Standardized human hair braids and specialty products are transferred to the specialty division for final processing. Workers select fine-tip human hair strands for calligraphy brushes, ensuring uniform softness and quality.
Workers taper human hair strands to form precise tips for high-quality calligraphy brushes. Workers bundle tapered human hair strands to form brush heads for calligraphy applications.
Workers attach handles to human hairbrush heads, ensuring secure alignment and stability.
Workers test human hair brushes for ink absorption, tip responsiveness, and smooth flow consistency. Workers sort human hair to select premium strands suitable for upholstery and padding applications.
Workers layer human hair in varying densities to create uniform, high-quality padding. Workers fill cushions and panels with human hair, ensuring even distribution and comfort. Workers test human hair cushions and panels for compression resistance and long-term durability.
Supervisors inspect human hair upholstery products for alignment, density, and multi-use readiness.
Workers perform final inspection on all human hair products, checking consistency, texture, and integrity.
Workers apply branded labels and certification tags to all human hair products for identification. Workers place human hair products into protective packaging, preserving structure and quality.
Workers scan and barcode human hair products, entering batch data into inventory systems.
Workers shelve packaged human hair products, organized by type, batch, and shipping priority.
Workers pick human hair products from shelves according to orders, ensuring correct quantity and type.
Workers prepare human hair products for bulk shipment, ensuring proper grouping and secure packaging. Workers load human hair products onto trucks, securing pallets for safe transportation. Fully loaded trucks carrying human hair products leave the facility, ready for distribution and delivery.
From raw collection to finished products, the human hair transformation process is complete and ready for distribution.